go into this PC, then M drive, search for ADR consignment. This is where all the ADR consignment files will be saved. You've got some blank usage forms here, an overview of the program, and a blank usage spreadsheet. All of the weekly usage spreadsheets and reports will be saved in the weekly usage reports folder. Open this up. I'm going to delete this one. You're going to see the beginning balance spreadsheet and then the first week of usage here, 8/1/25. What we're going to do is name the file with the Friday of every week that we bill for. Open the previous week's file, and the first thing you're do is going to hit File, Save As. And again, you're going to save as with the date of the Friday of the week that we're billing for. So the next week in sequence is Friday 8/8. Hit save. The way this spreadsheet works, you've got items listed in the top half of the spreadsheet and the bottom. And they're the same items if you look, 2x48, 2x48. The top half represents inbound shipments. You've got 2x48s. It should have a document number for future shipments, but to keep it simple, we're labeling all of the current items as a beginning balance reference number, the date that the product shipped, the total pieces inbound, the price to bill for that product, the previous week's balance, and this week's balance after we bill the quantity that was reported. Down here is where you enter what has been billed for. What this does is it takes the previous week's balance minus what's been billed for, and then gives you a new balance. So the first step is to take, starting with the date, highlight all the cells in the balance left column, right-click, copy, then highlight the date under the previous balance field, right-click, paste values. Make sure you hit paste values. Now hit the escape button. Now you're going to delete these consumed pieces. Now if you look up top, you're going to see some items that are zeroed out. That means there's nothing left in inventory of that item. When you see that after you've completed the previous steps, delete this line. You can highlight the row, right-click, and delete. And then down here on the bottom half of the sheet, you're going to want to delete the corresponding line. Change this PO to consignment, and again, the Friday of the week you're billing for. Then you're going to enter the pieces that the customer reported is using that week. In the consumed pieces column. Once you've completed this, you are now going to enter an invoice in WoodPro under the ADR consignment location, billing this item at this quantity at this price. Once you've entered the invoice, ensure that this number right here matches the invoice total in WoodPro. Then you can confirm the order and it will be invoiced by accounting.